So again, a lot of different options, but it gets back to what do you need? Hi, Neil Peterson here with LED Lighting Supply. Today it's July 29th, 2026, coming towards the end of the month. Today I was asked to talk about how do you select the right explosion-proof fixture for your explosion-proof lighting requirement. And that can be whether it's a retrofit, existing fixtures there that you're replacing, or there's a new installation. Our fixtures work in all those. The first primary thing you need to take into consideration is what level of explosion proof do you need? C1D1 or C1D2? C1D1 means there are explosive gases and liquids present all the time in the environment, or there could be. In those cases, you need C1D1. C1D2 is used where those explosive gases or liquids normally happen by accident. They're not there on a normal basis. That's really how you decide. There are probably some applications in the middle. We highly recommend you go to your local permitting group in your town, city, or state, and they'll be able to tell you what's required in your space. So like if you have a paint booth, sometimes depending on where you're located, you can use either. So that's first. Second is just quickly what voltage you're using. Is it 100, 277, which all these products are multi-tap, so they support anywhere from 100 to 277, or you can get 347 and 480 depending on if you require higher voltage. Then what you move into is the form factor you want. Are you replacing a linear fixture? This is a 2-foot C1D1. It could come in a 4-foot. Wattages go up to about 100 watt. You can also, there is a C1D1 version also, that's C1D2. Again, you have the standard in and out. You can do pendant. We have a square fixture. This is a C1D1 heavy duty thing, probably weighs 40 pounds. It is rough and rugged. It's a 150 watt unit. Comes with a pendant trunnion adapter. These fixtures also, our newer brands, have an easy installation where you actually can do the wiring in here, instead of taking the fixture apart to do the wiring. We have a C1D1 rectangular. Then we have both round for C1D1 and C1D2. So it gets back to what it is. What form factor do you really want in your environment? We have panels also. We have a whole array of different products. The next question is, how's it going to mount? What's really nice is almost all the products come with a trunnion bracket and a pendant bracket. Some of them also, though, can come with the trunnion, pendant, and built-in surface mount. This one, for example, you have the pendant, but the surface mount, it's all in one. You basically turn this down and you can surface mount it to the ceiling. So again, a lot of different options, but it gets back to what do you need? Then it's the wattage. So in the case of retrofit, what wattage do you have now? Is it a 400 watt metal halide, a 1,000 watt metal halide, 1,500 watt metal halide, or even a 250 or 100, high pressure sodium or metal halide? In the case of the 400, you're usually going to replace it with a 150 watt LED, maybe a 200 if you want more light. We also now, many of these fixtures come wattage changeable. So our 200 watt fixture does 200 watt, 150, 100. So if in a space you have multiple mounting heights, you may use the same fixture, but at a lower height, you'll turn the wattage down. That's sometimes a very attractive way to go. So again, but ultimately the wattage you need really comes back to this environment you have. The mounting height, how big the space is, how many fixtures. And in many cases, we can do a quick lighting plan for you too, to just give you a sense of how much light you're going to get in the environment by using certain fixtures. So those are the general parameters you need to consider when selecting the right solution. But I tell you, you can go to our website, ledlightingsupply.com. You can talk to us on chat. You can call us, whatever, or you can put a ticket in and request someone to follow up and give you a call. You can describe your application a little bit, and we will contact you ASAP to figure out what the right solution is for your application and make sure you're going to get the light and performance you expect and need. So have a great day and stay in the light. We'll talk to you later.